Hey guys, coming to you from the shop. Today we're here to talk to you about, we're looking for a new welder and a fabricator to bring onto the team here. We've got a lot of pretty cool benefits of what would bring on a good fabricator and try to bring him into what we consider our world of work. So I want to show you around a little bit and then talk to you about the benefits and stuff of working here at Wide Open Design. All right guys, if you're a motorhead, gearhead, off-road guy, or whatever else, you like to fabricate, weld, got a little bit of simple machining skills, ever used a plasma table, anything like that, you're kind of the guy we're looking for. We've got the best customer list in the world whenever it comes to off-road stuff. If rock crawling, rock bouncing, off-road racing, all that stuff is your kind of gig, then we've got the best guys in the world to work for. I'm not going to say money is unlimited, but these guys have got some cool budgets and they got some really cool ideas, and we're able to take their ideas, put our passion into it, and create something that's really cool. Been doing this for a good long time right here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Murfreesboro is about 30 minutes south of Nashville. Tennessee doesn't have a state income tax. The cost of living compared to the rest of the nation, really low. We can get some of the outer lying cities and towns, Manchester, Shelbyville, Woodbury. There's a couple other little towns around here where housing is really affordable. Housing right here in Murfreesboro is pretty affordable. So we're not necessarily looking for a local guy. If a local guy steps up to the plate and is a right fit, then that's fine. But we're looking for guys from all over the country that want to look at really chasing their passion and doing what they want to do for a good long career. The culture around this place, it's really stress-free. We come in, we do our jobs, and we all enjoy each other. Air-conditioned shop, heated shop, that's been a real big draw to when we've been looking for other guys. It's really comfortable to work in this place right now. We're in the middle of summer in here with the air conditioning on. Pretty dang awesome. We work on everything from rock crawling trail cars, rock bouncing race cars, Ultra 4 cars, that kind of thing. You don't have to be into off-road to love what we do or respect it. If you're into off-road, I really think it does help hold the passion to what you're doing, and that's the guy we're looking for. We're looking for a guy that is really passionate about creating cool vehicles. I'm a gearhead. I like hot rods. I like motorcycles. I like rock bouncers. I like rock buggies. I like anything that's got a motor on it. I don't necessarily own all that stuff or anything like that, but just I can appreciate the work that goes into it. And building those types of vehicles is what really turns me on. The cool thing about working here is we've got a massive amount of talent and a massive amount of tools sitting underneath this roof, to where if you come in here and you fall into place, like there's nothing that really we can't create. Press brake, tube rollers, tube benders, shears, plasma tables, CNC mill, CNC lathe, CNC tube cutter, CNC tube benders. There's all kinds of stuff in here that just makes life better, makes more accuracy, makes the whole day going on better. And if you're a fabricator, you know what those kind of tools actually create as far as being able to do a job. And this place is set up really nice. So that's why we're really looking for that right fabricator that can come in here and fall in. You got to be able to weld. You got to be able to, do layout, everything else. So you can head over to our website, and right there on the jobs page, you're going to find a form that you can click on. That form is a questionnaire of all the different questions that we're going to ask to see what level of fabricator you are. That level helps determine what pay we're looking for, granted what you're looking for. It also is a roadmap of we're at this level. The more levels you go, the better your pay is. That way, you're not really just locked into time around this place of being your pay scale. You're actually locked into your talent level. So go to that page, lock in, answer every one of the questions, answer them honestly. Like I said, if they're all ones, you don't even need to send it in. But I don't think that it's all going to be 10s from anyone, on this big of a variety of what we're looking for as far as the fabrication guy goes. Send that in. Got a place on there to link if you've got a resume. Send that in. If you're a hobbyist looking to make the jump into turning this into a career, don't be afraid to send that thing in. I want to see pictures of what you've done. You can upload them right there to that page. I don't really care about your resume as much as a cover letter saying why you would fit to work here. All the pictures of stuff you've done. If this is a passion that you've got and you're ready to take a chance on it, contact us. We want to talk to you. I've hired some really good guys that have worked a different job and then fell in here as a dream job, and they've really made a go of it and had some great success with it. So we're looking for the guy that wants to be here. We want you here. And we're looking in a bigger pool this time than we ever have before because we're looking for the real talent. And this place is set up with, like I said, all the tools and everything else to where the right guy with the right attitude and everything else can really find him a good home here. And that's what we're looking for, something long-term. We've got benefits. We pay 100% of your health insurance. We got dental, we got vision, got some life insurance. There's a lot of things here. Paid holidays after some time. This is a real career-based job. We've set it up with the long-term goals in place. So look at wideopendesign.com in the jobs category and get on there if this fits. If it doesn't fit what you're looking for, please like it, share it, whatever else. Let's get this stuff around and try to get some new life in this joint.